Well, we have a question here that says, in the diagram below the circle centered at m equal to m, the point m is given by 2, 4, and passes through the point C, and cuts the y-axis at E. A diameter CMD is drawn, and ACB is a tangent to the circle. First of all, let's say the circle, as we can see, there we have the circle, and then the center is M24, given by 24, and then it passes through the point C, and it cuts the y-axis at E, the y-axis here at E, and the diameter CMD is drawn. The diameter CMD is this one, okay, and ACB is tangent, so this line, ACB is tangent to the circle. Now 4.1 says determine the equation of the circle in the form, the given form, the general form of the equation of the circle. All right. What do we know about, I'm gonna write the question here, 4.1.1. What do we know about the equation of the circle? Because we want it in this form. It is given by the form we can see there. Okay, this x minus a to the power of 2 plus y minus b here to the power of 2 all over r squared. Okay, where r here is the center. Okay, the center. Oh, excuse me. R is the radius. It's the radius. And then A and B are the coordinate of the center. Okay, the center C, center. Coordinate of the center. Now we can solve this first by finding the radius here. As you can see, we can find the radius because we have the point M, and then we have also another point in the circumference. We can work out this length here, MC, to find the radius, because you can see that the radius here equal to MC. So we can find the length MC by using the formula D equal to the distance of 2 points AB equal to square root of x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1 squared to the power of 2 like this. Now let's do that. I'm going to use, in this situation, is the distance of the length MC will be square root of x2. I'm going to take this one for my, okay, we have like x1 here and then and then y1, and this will be x1 and then y2. So it's going to be -1 minus 2, so -1 minus 2 to the power of 2, plus y will be 2 minus 4 to the power of 2. So this will be, actually it doesn't matter which one is the first point of, so you can take this one. Okay, here I meant to say x2 there. X2 over here. Okay, so someone else can take C as the first point to work out. Okay, you can start C and then M or MC, still the same thing. So now this will be -1 to the power of 2 is 9. -1 minus 2 to the power of 2 is positive 9, plus 2 minus 4 to the power of 2 is 4. So now we can see that MC is root of 13. So that's the radius. Okay, and then AB are the coordinate of the center. So so A, we can see that A here will be 2, and then B will be 4. Then we can say the equation of the circle will be then x minus A, which is 2 minus 2 squared plus y minus B is 4, so minus 4 to the power of 2, they equal to r squared. This is r equal to 13. which means that r squared will be r is square root of 13, which means r squared will be 13. So this will be 13. Voila, this is the equation of the circle. We can also solve the same problem differently. We can solve this. Let me split my screen like this. I want to say we do know that the equation of the circle is given by x minus a to the power of 2 plus y minus b, and then equal to r squared to the power of 2. And we can sub in, first we can sub in the coordinate of the center, okay? In the coordinate of the center here are 2 and 4, okay? So because A and B stand for the coordinate of the center, we can sub it. That makes minus 2 and then minus 4 there. Now we can again sub in the coordinate of a point, okay, through which the circle passes. But because the question says the center, the circle passes through the point C, as we can see there. It passes through that point. So meaning if I sub the coordinate of C in the equation, that will be equal to R. So we can do like f minus 2 here to the power of 2 plus f negative 4 to the power of 2 equal to R squared. The coordinates, the point C is given by negative 1, 2, as we can see there. So I'm gonna sub negative 1 for x, negative 1 for x, and then 2 for y. And now this will be negative 1 minus 2 to the power of 2 is 9. So we have 9 here, plus 2 minus 4 to the power of 2 is 4. And this is equal to r squared. And now this makes 13 equal to r squared. Now that you've got r squared, we can now write the equation of the circle. It's going to be x minus 2, which is x minus a, squared, plus y minus b, which is 4 to the power of 2 equal to r squared, which is 13. Thank you. We find now the equation of the circle. Thank you.